Hello everyone. This video is regarding the update of quarterly Q4 results of VA Tech, Wabag and Ion Exchange, as well as the annual performance of VA Tech, Wabag and Ion Exchange. So let's begin with the VA Tech Wabag results. The company declared results in last week, and the results were definitely not very impressive, but in line with the market expectations. The stock price is rising substantially. There are many multiple reasons of this. I will discuss that later in the same video, but let's go to the financial data first. VA Tech Wabag revenue increased by around 10%. Profit margin, as you can see, is very limited in case of this business model, VA Tech Wabag. 95 crore annual net profit. I have discussed the fundamental analysis of both the companies on this channel, and the link of that video is available in the description box. The business model of VA Tech Wabag is such that the profit margin is bound to be low. Now it is around 3%. And it will definitely hover around this 3 to 5% bracket. The reason being that company is in the business of consultancy and project guidance, project support, and the rest of the other activities like building the water sewage plant and all the civil activities are outsourced by the company to third-party contractors. So this is the business model of the company. The stock price is rising because it is very visible that the capex cycle in the economy is turning, and it's turning positive, and there is also likely to be some structural changes in the economy from the point of view of infrastructure. Definitely infrastructure always been a area where a lot of things is always needed to be done. But this time it seems to be a very different scenario, obviously because of the pandemic and rapid urbanization and environment-friendly trend. Apart from that, the overall health consciousness of the people, governments has increased substantially over the past 2 years, 1 year, and that's why the capex cycle has already turned, and this company stands to gain from this capex cycle. The company's order book is always been very strong. This time also it is strong. I'm waiting for con call and the annual report so that we'll come to know much more about the company's overall business scenario in the past 1 year and in the near future. Now let's start discussing about the Ion Exchange. In this case also the stock price has risen tremendously past week from around 1400, 1500 to now the stock is trading around 2200, 2100 and it touched 2300. Now again, but in this case the scenario is slightly different. The revenue figures are somewhat same as compared to FY 2020, FY 21 figures are somewhat in the same range, and I would say same only. It's not much difference. But if you look at the bottom line, if you look at the net profit margin, net profit, the net profit margin was around 6%, 6.5%. From that 6 to 6.5%, this year the profit margin rose to around 10%. Now this improvement in the profit margin is very significant. It's a very significant development, and the company also has operations in East Asia, Indonesia, Singapore. Also company operates in these countries with the help of its subsidiaries. Also in Sharjah, UAE and Gulf region also company has its presence. Ion Exchange India being its parent company of all these subsidiaries. So the result as far as the profit margin is concerned, it was very impressive. Even though the top line is somewhat same, of course the reason being the pandemic year. But in near future, in coming years, this company can do very well, looking at the numbers, looking at the increased profit margin, and the water and waste management segment is very promising in the coming few years. As we all know, ESG, economic, social and governance, this investment theme is becoming dominant every passing day. And also on my channel I have discussed one more stock, Anthony Waste Management. The Q4 results of Anthony Waste Management are still not out, so whenever the results are out, we would be able to discuss all these three companies which are active in the waste management. Anthony Waste is not in a water waste management, is in a solid waste management. These companies are in a water purification, water solution, and of course water waste management. Anthony Waste is in solid waste management. That is also very interesting company belonging to the same segment. So this was a short video about the update about Viatec, Wabag and Ion Exchange India Limited. Thank you for watching the video. Share this video with like-minded people and your friends and relatives. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.